Today's top news headlines. Chief Minister N. Biren inaugurates and lays foundation stones of various development projects at Senapati headquarters. Customs seized over 1 kg of gold worth approximately rupees 581 international market from Impal International Airport. Iodine deficiency disorder prevention day observed at Indian Medical Association Hall, Lamphilpat. And India records 2,119 fresh COVID cases along with 10 fatalities due to the infection in the past 24 hours. Good evening, you're watching Pony TV Primetime English News at 6:30. I'm LAKSMIBAI THANGJAM. Now the news in details. Chief Minister N. Biren has inaugurated and laid foundation stones of various development projects at Senapati headquarters today. The function organized by the district administration, Senapati, at the Senapati public ground was also attended by Works Minister Govindas Kwanthouzam, Travel Affairs and Hills Minister Letpao Haukip, Transport Minister Kashim Vashum, Chairman Hills Area Committee Dingang Lungangmei, MLA Losi Dikho, MLA Karam Shyam, MLA Kongkham Rabindro and MLA J. Kumosa, among others. The projects include inauguration of a mini outdoor stadium at Senapati Public Ground with a project cost of rupees 725.87 lakh under NEC, Sub Treasury Office, Tadubi, Senapati, Open Gym at Senapati Public Ground, UCO Bank, Phaibung Kulen Brands Model Anganwadi Center, buildings at Paumata Center, Senapati and at Rikumai Tafo Senapati and laying of foundation stone for construction of synthetic football turf at Senapati Public Ground District Youth Skilling, Entrepreneurship and Employment Center, Senapati and Indigenous Sports Complex at Maram Kuno. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister N. Biren said there are plans to develop Senapati comparable to Kohima. The Chief Minister asserted that the laying of the synthetic football turf at Senapati Public Ground and Indigenous Sports Complex at Maram Kuno are very close to his heart and committed before the public that the two projects will be delivered to the people before the election code of conduct for the 2024 parliamentary election. Highlighting that the government is able to return to power because the government was able to deliver on their promises in its previous term, the Chief Minister said the public will not trust the government if it is unable to deliver, stating that lack of interactions between the government and the public will lead to widening the gap. The Chief Minister said that the Go to Hills, Go to Village and Miyamgi Numit programs were launched to bridge this gap. The Chief Minister, who inspected the district Miyamgi Numit and Hill Leaders Day underway at the district headquarters on his way to the venue, also expressed happiness on learning that around 37,000 cards for Ayushman Bharat and Chief Minister's Haksel Gitengbang have been distributed in the district. Almost on the brink of success today with the support of the masses, village leaders, religious leaders, CSOs, etc. He said, adding that the movement has become a public movement. Further appealing to the public to support the movement against corruption, the Chief Minister further said there should be no room for corruption in any new recruitment process. The Chief Minister also invited the people of the district to attend the Manipur Sangai Festival.
Senapati is comparable to the state capital of Nagaland, Kohima. Masjid tada na koi compete to be among the same sea guy na koi. What is hanazable? Infrastructure same ko same. Aduna ni aina indigenous sports stadium mama karol tarin makhai ngasi purgalais. Ai ki target ngasi jatra holiba Senapati ki maya seda project football film lani. Masigi astroturf ki field sina aduga project ki indigenous ki saga doriba stadium se masi adana ground ga torga world class ni. Ngasi aina Senapati praja mayang yomang aina thamang baduri se live 2024 ki MP election pangthok kadori se sigi Code of Conduct Lapthok Manda Sigi Pilzida Indigenous Stadium Ziganize Senapati Prasada delivered to Budabani and promised commitments.
Customs Division Imphal apprehended a passenger trying to smuggle 1 kg and 137 grams of gold worth Rs 57,73,686 in international market from Imphal International Airport. Based on specific information that a passenger by the name of Mohammed Avir Khan, aged 38, son of Mohammed Mazahar, a resident of Kairao, Makting Manjar Inkol, Kairao, Bitra subdivision, would be carrying gold of foreign origin concealed inside his rectum, a team of anti-smuggling unit Customs Division led by Superintendent intercepted the said passenger while boarding Air India flight scheduled to depart from Imphal International Airport at 2:20 p.m. and while checking for oval-shaped packets of gold in past form weighing 1,243 grams were recovered from his rectum. The passenger has been arrested under Section 104 of Customs Act 1962. Directorate of Health Services Manipur, in collaboration with State Health Society and National Health Mission (NHM), Manipur observed Global Iodine Deficiency Disorder Prevention Day with the message that most of the iodine deficiency disorders (IDDs) are incurable except few, but all are preventable with daily consumption of iodized salt at Indian Medical Association (IMA) Hall in Lamphilpat today. The event was attended by Health, Family and Welfare Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan, Director of Health Services Manipur Dr. Khoram Sasikumar Mangang, State Mission Director of NHM Manipur Dr. Somojit Ningombam, Senior Regional Director of Health, Family and Welfare Government of India Dr. Lorembam Asananda. Speaking at the event, Health and Family and Welfare Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan said that while the Family and Welfare Department organized every event, it is questionable whether or not the general public gains anything from it. He asked the concerned authority to organize the event in hill districts as well rather than repeating the event at the same location so that the Manipur public are aware and might live a healthy life by receiving the same facilities in all of the health departments in the state's valley and hill regions.
Sigi Medical College, it's a responsibility of all of us. The health is the health. Family welfare, no, that's not my responsibility. NHM, health, it's a team. It's a teamwork. Whether max it is our responsibility, health, family welfare, it's a responsibility. Why the responsibility? People at every level, right from the center of our state, right up to periphery, the border area, about the healthcare delivery systems.
Handloom Research and Promotion Cell of El Sanoy College, Nambol, in association with the college's Internal Quality Assurance Cell, IQAC, organized a one-day handloom exhibition cell under the theme Weaving the Future 2.0, held at the main campus of the college today. Around 50 students participated in the exhibition, which featured 30 stalls. Visitors from all parts of Manipur came to witness and purchase the handloom products made by the college's students. Speaking at the exhibition, Handloom Research and Promotion Cell (NLSC's) convener Srida Chungkham stated that the college has been conducting handloom exhibitions since 2019. He said in addition to formal education, students' skills need to be promoted. He claimed that even after having a higher degree, many individuals in Manipur are still unsure of what to do with their lives, but events like this one inspired them to realize that they can live better lives while also benefiting society. Though many women have begun to concentrate on weaving, people's incomes are still insufficient to support their families. Therefore, an exhibition was held to raise awareness of state government programs and to help people avoid running into such problems. He claimed that as a result of numerous exhibitions, even men have begun expressing interest in weaving.
Student mayam se kaidawagi no akhone pusalai je haiba matam se da certain government ki scheme mayam se lakpa matam se da one of the problems is that most of the weavers are illiterate. Government scheme moina lowba ngamde aduba khoine educated or college la leriba satra myam singje khoi moida khoina sigi awareness government ki side ki ju sigi scheme je lai haje moina khangaga di moina horen college tagi hangarga moina fi saminariba mamanaba imu manungi ima ichal iche mandomcha mane mandon myam se sije awareness se laga di government ki scheme myam singji ju magi effectiveness se hena moida kanaba phangani aduga khoigi manipur gi oina so adugi kanaba do hena laiganeba.
Former MLA of Oinam Assembly constituency has been suspended from the primary membership of the BJP party for 6 years for violating party norms. In an order issued by BJP Manipur Unit President A. Sada said that L. Radhakishore was suspended from the primary membership of the party for violating the party's rules and regulations. It should be noted that BJP candidate L. Radhakishore ran for the Oinam seat in the general election of 2022, but he was defeated by an NPP candidate. Hill Leaders Day and Myangi Numit under the aegis of Planning Department was held today at Multipurpose Hall, Tamenglong College. At the Myangi Numit program, more than 20 departments under District Administration Tamenglong opened their stalls to address people, grievances and queries. At the occasion, many departments distribute various schemes such as winter vegetables seed to 18 selected beneficiaries of Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture (MIDH) under Horticulture Department, 13 Manipur All-Age Pension Card, 6 Weaver Cards under Handlooms and Textiles Government of Manipur, PMJAY CMHT Card, etc. As part of the Myangi Numit program, Canara Bank officials also present at the event and open many bank accounts to avail government schemes for people. For the first time in Myangi Numit occasion, ILP inner line permit counter were open and about 50 people come and register at the ILP counter. Speaking to the media person, Pawan Yadav, Deputy Commissioner Tamenglong, stated that the District Administration and Police Department is regularly checking the newcomers or outsiders in the district. One of the problems faced by the District Administration Tamenglong is that the Lever Department is not stationed in Tamenglong and many newcomers to Tamenglong and Nona District are leverers and the Lever Department needs to issue ILP cards to them. The District Administration can only issue temporary papers, Yadav added. Myangi Numit, organized by District Administration Bisnupur, was held today at Kiamba Ningsing Sanglen under Bisnupur District. Under the guidance of DCL Bikram, many officials including ADCH Bobby Sharma, Additional Superintendent of Police Satyam Takelambam, CMO Dr. Rai Chandra, DAO Jugasur, Veterinary Joint Director Dr. Santibala, Jila Parisad EO M. Manikanta, Deputy Director of NYK Dr. Dhana Salam, and SDO, SDC and other district level officers attended the event and also addressed grievances and queries of the people. They also give awareness about the CMHT card, KCC card for Veterinary Department, Social Welfare Pension card, Renew and MG and REGS. The District Administration Taubal organized Myangi Numit, which is observed on the third Friday of every month for the Taubal district today at the counting hall of the Taubal DC complex. Various 137 grievances were taken up by the DC Taubal for discussion. At the Myangi Numit program, various departments opened around 20 stalls to address people, grievances and queries. During the event, DC Taubal A. Subas said organizing Myangi Numit at the district level, which was formerly organized at the state level, enables the DC to identify individuals missing CMHT card and all-age pension. He further said till now they have received 134 grievances. The district administration and district level officer are trying to bring solution to their grievances. In response to the Myangi Numit's prior complaints, 8 CMHT card, 10 Ujwala LPG gas connection and 10 food safety license were distributed, and also able to provide benefits to various water testing kits of Fisheries Department.
District level Toropa, Myangi Numit Pankrodagi, we had a state that had a Pankromani, the district of Pankrodi, district administration, the Suyamna, Samasi, Equino Kangam Daba, Uram Daba, all age pension Fangam Daba, the CMST card from the Mayamamazi, the grievance Lakudagi, ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝꯁꯤ ꯁꯣꯜꯕ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯜ ꯑꯦꯖ ꯄꯦꯟꯁꯟ ꯄꯤꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ CMST ꯀꯥꯔꯗ ꯄꯤꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯔꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯉꯁꯤꯃꯛꯇꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ CMST ꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯔꯗ 9 ꯌꯦꯟꯊꯣꯛꯆꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯐꯨꯗ ꯁꯦꯐꯇꯤ ꯑꯦꯗꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯏꯁꯦꯟꯁ 10 ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ
Now let's take a short break. Keep watching.
Pony TV na makhal mathel gi thoram sing sanduk tuna miyam gi seba tawjari masida hena mai pak na bagi damak Pony TV gi YouTube channel amadi Facebook page ta like amadi subscribe tawbiro loina na MCTV gi channel number 988 amadi ISCOM gi channel number 142 da miyam na meeting tabiduna mapung faba channel ama ohenbiu
hena mai pak pa channel ama oina bagi damak Pony TV gi contact number 9362511104 da contact tawbiro Makha to pijari ba contact number natraga email asida miyamna suggestion pibirak na ba hajari
miyam gi suggestion bu khawramna ngaijari
Welcome. After the break, you're watching Pony TV Primetime English News at 6:30. World Heart Day was observed today at Khongzom Primary Health Center. The theme of this year is Use Heart for Every Heart. CMO Thoubal Dr. Y. Nokul, Dr. L. Lalit Kumar, District Malaria Officer Thoubal, and Sri CH Basanta DPM were the DICE members. Speaking at function, CMO said we should have good food habits and do regular exercise to keep our heart healthy. He said under Rashtriya Val Swasthya Karyakaram Anganwadi Centers of Thoubal and Lilong Block, regular health checkup and screening of the children is conducted by a team of doctors and health care professionals. Such screening will help children in early detection of certain diseases and curing it in time. Medical officer in charge Khongzom PHC Dr. TH Samananda spoke about the importance of World Heart Day. The World Heart Day is observed every year on 29 September since 1999. This day gives an opportunity for everyone to stop and consider how best to use heart for humanity, for nature and for you. It gives awareness about the rising concern of heart health and cardiovascular illness. The Rani Gaidinlyut training camp, which started on 18 October 2022 with much energy and unprecedented attendance from the locals, has one unique trainee among 234 other boys and girls who are attending the camp, that is Gaikim Lak Kame, who is the great-grandson of late freedom fighter Rani Gaidinlyut. Gaikim Lak Kame registered himself with the conduct team of training camp on 17 October 2022 and has been regular with the physical and education classes. He says it is a proud moment for him and his family members that he is part of the training camp, which is named after his great-grandmother. Rani's granddaughter, Mrs. Azik Maipame, also visited the camp location at Tamenglong, wherein they interacted with the commandant of 44 Assam Rifles. They expressed their happiness and gratitude to the commandant and the Assam Rifles for organizing such a training camp, which shall empower the youth of Jeliat region to take part in upcoming recruitment rallies in the Army and the Assam Rifles. District Legal Services Authority Chandal, under the aegis of Manipur State Legal Services Authority, organized a capacity building cum sensitization program on ground level issues and challenges faced by stakeholders dealing with matters related to POCSO cases as a part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav campaign at Multipurpose Hall Mini Secretariat, DC Complex, Chandal District. Sankarjit Loitongbam, Additional Superintendent, LNO Chandal, and Simon Langhu, Advocate or Secretary, Chandal Bar Association, spoke as resource persons. Sankarjit Loitongbam spoke on the roles and responsibilities of the police force in dealing with the POCSO cases under the POCSO Act 2012 in the district. He stated that the POCSO Act 2012 is a gender-biased act which should be treated seriously and sensitively. He further talked on the procedures and difficulties while dealing with a POCSO case by the police. Simon Langhu talked on the provisions of the POCSO Act 2012. The program was participated by Special Juvenile Police Unit Chandal and Technopal districts, members of District Child Protection Unit, Child Welfare Committees, Juvenile Justice Board and chief functionaries of child care institutions. An interaction and discussion session with the participants was also conducted. 2 dead bodies were recovered from the site where an army helicopter carrying 5 people crashed in Arunachal Pradesh's Upper Siang district today morning. According to reports, the weapon system integrated version of an advanced light helicopter ALH crashed near Miging village. The helicopter carrying army personnel was on a regular sortie after taking off from Lekabali this morning. The crash took place at 10:43 a.m. as there are no motorable roads leading to the village except a hanging bridge. 3 joint teams of both Army and the Air Force are engaged in the rescue operation with 1 Mi-17 and 2 Dhruv helicopters. Local villagers are also said to be involved in the rescue work. United Kingdom Prime Minister Liz Truss has resigned yesterday following a failed tax-cutting visit that rocked financial markets. Truss was in office for just 44 days, making her the shortest-serving Prime Minister in British history. Speaking outside the door of her number 10 Downing Street office, Truss accepted that she had lost the faith of her party and announced that she would resign as Prime Minister but would remain in office until new PM is elected. She said given the situation, she is unable to deliver the mandate on which she was elected by the Conservative Party. She claimed to have informed His Majesty the King to notify him that she is resigning as leader of the Conservative Party. India recorded a total of 2,119 fresh COVID cases along with 10 fatalities due to the infection in the past 24 hours, bringing the country's overall COVID tally to 4,46,38,636. According to the data shared by the Union Health Ministry, 2,582 have been recovered in the last 24 hours in India. The total death toll in India stands at 5,28,953. Out of the 10 fatalities, 5 were from Kerala and 1 each from Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Meghalaya, Punjab and West Bengal. Taking the Delhi positivity rate at 1.13%, the total active cases has declined to 25,037 in the country. The recovery rate is recorded at 98.76% as per the data. According to the Health Ministry, 219.50 crore doses of COVID vaccine have been administered in the country so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines again. Chief Minister N. Biren inaugurates and lays foundation stones of various development projects at Senapati headquarters. Customs seized over 1 kg of gold worth approximately Rs 58 in international market from Imphal International Airport. Global Iodine Deficiency Disorder Prevention Day observed at Indian Medical Association Hall, Lamphilpat. And India records 2,119 fresh COVID cases along with 10 fatalities due to the infection in the past 24 hours. Thank you for watching Pony TV. For more updates, keep watching Pony TV and stay tuned.